Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about development of aggression and psychosocial development of child. And we'll emphasize today on adopting controlling measures for the aggression in young children. We'll see here, ask yourself what we are saying to the individual. बच्चों को हम क्या कह रहे हैं. बाद औक़ात हम उन्हें कुछ ऐसे अल्फाज कह रहे होते हैं जो हमें नहीं कहने चाहिए. मसलन हम उनको उस बिहेवियर के बारे में डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. इट्स बैड, इट्स बैड. बैड की बजाय हम ये भी कह सकते हैं इट्स नॉट गुड, इट्स नॉट गुड. Or sometime we use it's not too bad. Why not we use it's good, it's very good. Avoid the words, those are not good, those are uttered as in the bad sense, in the against the norms of the society. So we take care whatever the words we are using. We use good words for our own kids, not only for our own kids. And when we are giving direction to the others, individuals, young ones, so we do adopt good words. And we to be a good role model. When we are advising others, we ourselves should be showing good behavior. हमें खुद एक उस behavior का मॉडल होना है. और अगर हम कहें कि अच्छी ज़बान इख्तियार करें तो हम खुद अच्छी ज़बान इख्तियार कर रहे हों और हम उस मुश्किल सूरत हाल में भी उससे और एग्रेशन की कैफियत में भी हम खुद भी कंट्रोल्ड लैंग्वेज इख्तियार करें. क्योंकि the child individuals are observing and they are learning through observation. The strongest way of a change of behavior, that is the learning, is observation. And through observation, they are observing the situation and they are going to bring their behavior change. And by observation, it is more possible that they adopt the same way they are observing. So, we to control the aggression of the individual by adopting healthy ways. We to give the directions, not a sequence of directions, not a sequence of words, but we to use some selected words for the kids, for the individuals, for the young ones, even for the others of our own age. Keep in mind the good words and happy words and praiseworthy words are very suitable for the others, because it's a psychology of man, person, that everyone would like to listen good words. Okay. We'll see here. Avoid spanking. Avoid the harsh control the individuals with aggression. Sometimes we punish. Sometimes we push, hit, and show a loud aggression, loud words. And we use very harsh words. And words carry power. All right, but the smooth words also carry power. उसके अल्फाज के अंदर भी उतनी ही फ्रीक्वेंसी है और वो उसी तरह असरअंदाज होती है. हार्श वर्ड्स, लाउड साउंडेड वर्ड्स का खतरा ये है कि उसके साथ जो साउंड है वो दैट इज क्रिएटिंग अ टेरर एंड ऑल्सो कंट्रोलिंग the terror, also controlling the others' situations, but exploiting the sensitivities and emotions. तो इस लिहाज से we to avoid it by adopting such type of behavior of punishment and also the harsh behavior. We be patient. Why? Because we to wait for learning. Learning means change in behavior. Behavior के अंदर तब्दीली अचानक नहीं आएगी. Not like a switching off a button, but it will take some time. वक्त के साथ साथ behavior बदलता है और हर तरह का behavior बदलता है. आज जो हम हैं इसके अंदर जो कुछ तब्दीली आई वो वक्त के साथ आई, और वक्त एक ऐसा दावा है, एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिसके साथ साथ तब्दीली वाक़ई होती है. एंड वी टू बी वेरी पेशेंट फॉर आवर किड्स, एंड वी टू यूज गुड वर्ड्स फॉर देयर change in behavior, and also we provide them very reasonable harmony, and we to provide environment in which pleasantness is there, in which smooth interaction is there, and we involve the other persons, other forces to interact with the same way, and to keep an eye those harsh ways and measures being adopted which are becoming the source of aggression in the individual. Thank you very much.